What is going on, my G's? So when I started doing the YouTube thing in English and then Spanish, I've always done it because I get a massive feeling of satisfaction by making people laugh, by being able to have people forget about their day and all that good stuff. Just take your mind to a good place and forget about your problems. Just dive into it for 15, 10, 20 minutes, whatever long it is. So today, I want to kind of do that for myself. I want to go eat tortas. That's a Mexican like sandwich, if you will. And they're ahogadas, which means we're going to dip it in the sauce and it's incredible. And I want to bring Farshad with me so bad. I think Buddy and Farshad are going to love these two. So I want to take him there. That's how I want to start my day, with some diarrhea.
We're not going to take the golf truck to this place.
And the reason why is we don't know street parking, anything. So the easiest, smartest way to go in there, in and out, is the G-Wagon. Then we're going to come back and I think Fargini's got a surprise for us.
He's got some kind of surprise. We've been talking about it and I don't know what kind of... Don't know how I feel about it.
Why are you wearing the same thing you were wearing all weekend?
What are you talking about? This is my new look. That's what I wear.
Oh my God.
You ain't in a girl's car unless there's one of these in there, or some kind of a contraption or some kind of device.
Or, so
management.
hang on. Do you remember Belen going through Rodrigo's car while we were in Rodrigo's car?
Oh,
this is my wife's car, so let's see what she's got.
Whoa, what the
fuck, babe?
Oh.
Is this for the dogs?
Alejandro, you may want to like...
Is this sensitive?
Yeah, you may rethink this. You
Okay.
may be sleeping on the couch.
There is a nice avian bottle of water. The fuck is this for? It's just water?
Wait, this is how you drink?
Flip-flops.
This is how you drink
Flip-flops.
water now?
Flip-flops, yeah. Why?
You never know when she's gonna stop and get a pedicure.
You guys, you know what? I'm not part of this. I'm not part of this. I didn't condone to this.
Look how scared Farshad is. Oh my God, there's a classic
Yes!
SLK 300 right in front of us, people.
I think that
What?
might be a
What
one of
a
one.
beauty. What
That's
a
the generation you're
fucking
at?
beauty.
That's the generation.
No, it's... Oh, I'm starving. Tortas ahogadas. Las originales, the original ones.
Do you know how I know this is gonna be good?
How?
He's got a racist style sombrero on a chili pepper. May I make another observation how I know this is gonna be good? It's right next to a Jiffy Lube. That's always a great sign.
God,
That's a great
dude.
And by the way, there's a car wash on that side and a Jiffy Lube on this side.
Okay, we're not gonna go in and review the food and eat everything. What are you expecting?
Me? You've been pitching this for months and
What are
months.
you expecting? Do you think it's
Something
gonna be good?
really good, yeah, of
Okay,
course.
buddy, have you ever had them?
No, but I'm expecting indigestion.
There's no way out
And
of that one.
I overheard you say why you want to come here. So I get diarrhea, so I can't do my commercial.
We'll talk about it in a second.
Buddy, have you ever seen him like order things
It's
and
like this element. I've never seen him so like perky and happy about something.
Is that my drink?
That's a raspado. So this is chamoy in a raspado. So it's gonna be spicy with ice. Good luck with
I cannot wait. I always wanted a weird looking Mexican drink.
Okay, so we're ready to eat this. I'm not gonna do a whole food review or anything like that. This is a torta ahogada. That's a sandwich, a spicy Mexican sandwich with all the good stuff in here, and it's been drowned and dipped in hot sauce. All of the stuff that you see on the side is hot sauce, Farshad.
What?
Yes. What do you think it was?
What kind of like sauce?
No. So
It is some kind of sauce.
Why
It's
would
hot
they-
sauce.
I think the way to go about it is you take a bite and let me see. I'm already sweating already. Take a bite. Wow. Yeah. That was a very honest wow.
No.
That I've never had it. I've never had it. This is amazing too.
Is it really? Yeah, of course. That's all of your. There you go. There's the profuse.
Slurp it. Slurp it.
I'm in heaven.
Yeah.
You know what's gonna be bad about this? You guys are gonna miss this the next day. Aquí, gracias. Queso fundido. Oh my God. That's just cheese. Melted cheese, and these are tortillas. Help yourself, motherfuckers. Here's a sweat update, everyone. How's that treating you?
It's fire up, but I'm gonna power through it. This is so delicious. Wow. Oh my God.
I'm dying, but this is so good. I don't want to be the one that says it. Did you guys like it? And how's your sweating problem?
I love it. I love it.
Get out of here.
Wow.
And he's still drinking. The only thing Barghini has been drinking the whole time is just that spicy drink.
This top is Tamarindo.
It's delicious.
And I made a new goal for myself. I'm gonna be the Tamarindo King of Mexico, because ain't no one loved more Tamarindo than me. This is incredible. So these, I gotta have this one. Holy shit, I gotta have that one. They have like a I've never seen, we don't get these in the US.
All right, time to swap the cars. We're gonna go see Danny right now so that Barghini can finally do
The commercial and sell my car quick.
So before these guys get in the car, let me just say, I don't know if you remember, but like about 5 months ago, we went to O'Gara Westlake with Danny and we had asked him for a favor. Hey, Danny, can we spec 2 Rolls-Royces and see which one sells faster after our commercial comes out?
Success. Everyone is looking for it, yet not many can find it. It's not a path you take, it is one that you make for yourself. And only you can tell what the meaning of that journey truly means to your existence, to your soul. I didn't design this car for those who like to play by the rules. I did it for those who make their own. While success does come at a price, what it buys is just numbers. All those dreams you've ever had, things you've ever wanted, are now at your fingertips. Life has now become a game of cat and mouse, and you are the lion. If there was a female tiger somewhere around here, she would just be turned on by your smell. And as you enter inside of her, you can feel the intensity of her heartbeat pounding through her pussy. And as you lay your finger onto her delicious special button, she sees through your eyes that you're hung like a wild moose. Yeah, that's right, you're a lion with a moose dick. Wait, who the fuck is that guy? The all-new Rolls-Royce Ghost by me. Rolls-Royce. Fuck Farshad.
So I'm gonna go check on the status of mine because I'm nervous. If it's there still, then Farshad's got a pretty good chance at beating me on this. But right now we're gonna do Farshad's commercial and let's see how that goes.
Don't you think we should probably get license plates for the cars?
You gotta have your plates, alright? So they're fix the tickets, put your plates on, take your tapes off, get the ticket signed off, pay the correction fee.
Where are my license plates?
No idea where they are.
This wouldn't be a vlog of ours without like having to pull over at a gas station. A 7-Eleven gas station. This is a 7-Eleven branded gas station, guys. Hang on, let me show you. I'm not fucking with you. This is a 7-Eleven gas station. There's no Shell, there's nothing else. It's fucking incredible. And why don't you comment right now? What's gonna be the total of the gas bill? What do you think, Farshad? We're at 28 already. It's completely empty.
$98.
Buddy?
74.
I'd say 69. Let's go. I am so fucking gonna lose. It's at 62 already and it's only 15 gallons in. No! You're out. Ah! Farshad's gonna say that its price, it's 85.
No, you didn't. You went over, Farghini. No, I said
Farshad's gonna say that it's
I said
the TV show rules. Yeah, 98, but it's 85.
It's Price is Right rule.
I told you guys, I told you. And also, Farshad was just explained by Buddy that Price is Right rules are completely wrong in the opposite way, so Buddy wins.
I got the numbers wrong, the math wrong.
Math. Oh, Gareth Westlake, we're back. We're back to see Danny over here. I'm pumped to see Danny. Just, by the way, he's getting married very, very soon. Doreen, Danny, congratulations on that. Very, very excited for you guys because I see that love. I see that love. Now, Farghini went inside to get a coffee. I'm sorry that I'm closing my eyes. I can't see shit. I'm gonna go get my sunglasses. So we're here to make Farghini's commercial right now for his Rolls-Royce. Like we said, it arrived. The Dawn that Farghini ordered is here. And I want to show it to you guys, but Farshad went to get a coffee because he's dying from that torta that he just had and wants to have some energy. So let's get it. Farghini's finally meeting his floor spec. Look at it. Look at it. Danny, by the way. Sorry. He was showing us the floor spec while Farghini was getting his life together.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, you do. He's on that wedding diet. He's got the shave, everything.
Why are you looking at me, bro? Your car just got here.
This is really a floor spec model, Farghini.
Alejandro, at some point, can't say that anymore because this is...
Oh, there's so much white.
It's not gorgeous. You look like a distinct...
You look like a fine sir because you're white.
Handsome car.
It's a handsome car. You want to open it, Farshad? You want to look at your
Can I tell you
interior?
something I wish you would have done? I wish you would have at least matched the blue with the blue interior.
Yeah, why'd you pick two different blues?
Why'd you pick two different color blues?
Not to let you sit in it.
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm not.
Because it's white interior.
Yeah, whoever buys this has to be white.
No, if you guys would have seen what I just had for lunch, you don't want me near this.
Wow. Honestly, Farghini, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is fucking beautiful. I think forget about me just walking around the car. Buddy's just gonna take us to the nice shots. You've had an extra month from mine, and you haven't come up with your concept?
Let's look up. I think we're just gonna shoot and fix the post.
Yeah, my car might still be here.
I
But there's a beautiful commercial attached to it.
Can you be an extra in my commercial?
No, because you're gonna talk shit about
I'm not
me.
gonna talk shit. All I need you to do,
Never do this for others.
all I need you to do is just look at your car. I just need footage of you looking at your car.
So that I could say, oh, negative something about my car. That ain't happening, people. He keeps trying to trick me into doing this shot for him.
I need one shot. It's
I'm not gonna do it.
It's just you shaking his hand as if he bought the car.
And he's pointing at my car. My car is not a part of his commercial. You see, guys, he's trying to trick me right now. That ain't gonna happen. And also he can be like, well, if you want a shitty car, just go to that guy. Hey, Fargini.
Your car won't even be referenced. I won't even reference
You know when a kid, hang on, you know when a kid is trying to like take advantage of you and you're like, dude, you're a kid. Like, I can see what you're doing.
Will you be in a...
No! While you figure out your crap, Danny and I are gonna go look at some cool stuff, if you don't mind. Thank you, Fargini. Ooh, you spec this one. I know. No?
I did, but I did not, no.
But you love the gray.
I purchased from Belen. Look at how he's...
No. What? Guys, you can't, like, the orange is inside of these. I don't know if you can tell. Holy crap. Yeah, you would have gotten an award if you spec this.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
Gloss carbon, which they don't put anywhere.
This is the first impressive one of these that I've seen, like, at this level. Holy shit. Do you mind if I sit in?
No, please.
Oh. What's Mulliner, like the extra, right?
Mulliner, so it used to be a standalone company that were coach builders for Bentley.
I don't know if you guys can see the Mulliner thing right there. It's so cool. So cool. I might have to steal the finish for my Raptor. This is what?
Dark tinted aluminum. It's machined aluminum, but it's dark. It's the dark tint.
It looks so good in real life. Damn. So this one, Danny built, and it matches what I'm wearing. It's green. Hang on. It's beautiful, beautiful green. By the way, you know who would buy this? Greg. Just don't tell him I told you this. Okay. Oh, what? Dude, you're one classy fucker. Yeah. Oh my God, I didn't realize that was green.
Come green.
Dude, you went crazy with this. How much in extra options did you put on this?
This is 260s, the sticker.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's not bad. No. I just went wild with like the color combination.
Yeah, the colors are insane. Wow. Look at the seats. Wow, dude. This is fucking incredible. This piece of shit is using my car as a prop to make fun of it. Hang on a second, guys. There it is. Did you hear that? Say that again, please, Danny.
I said don't open it inside because I'm superstitious.
I can respect that, but also, Fargini, that does not mean game over.
This gesture here, you see this? Everything about this gesture and everything, it's game over.
Okay.
I have a custom Rolls-Royce umbrella.
I'm sorry, everyone that's watching.
So do you, dude.
But listen, there's
It's customized to this one.
Yes, not well. We didn't do the exact.
we didn't want to be as tacky.
We both customized.
Is that your fucking car? I'm trying to help you.
Now he's got two bows.
Where's he going?
And why is he going to my car? Do not touch my car. Anyway, Fargini, you feeling confident about this?
Well, Buddy's in charge, so I feel like he knows the level of funny we need to add to it. So I think it's gonna be good.
So now it's all on me.
That's not fair. I wrote my commercial.
I wrote it. I will write it after I see it.
See, guys? And since we're all in the car right now, we're gonna go into the world premiere of Fargini's music video in 5, 4, 3,
What music? I didn't do a
2,
music video.
1.
Does everything around you feel drab and dreary? Does everything look generic and value-based? Are you tired of only being offered safe bets? If you're like me, but with way better credit and the actual means to own one of these, and want to be unique and different, you must experience this one-of-a-kind Rolls-Royce Dawn. Since I didn't have to pay for anything, I spared no expense. I made decisions and selections based on uniqueness and not value. I selected finishes that most would not. Most likely, by the time you see this commercial, my Rolls-Royce Dawn will have been sold. But if you're looking for something with value and bang for your buck, this Rolls-Royce Ghost is still available.
We just finished doing Fargini's commercial, and I think now that we're back to work, this is the end of the vlog, right, Sergio?
I think so.